Bonjour and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this former French football player, a legend, manager and administrator. He was the president of the UEFA until 2015. So how do you pronounce his name correctly? You will say Michel Platini. Michel Platini. Michel Platini. Did you know that Michel Platini is regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time? Platini won the Ballon d'Or 3 times in a row, 1983, 1984, 1985. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos about football player, click just right there. And please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, salut, bonne journée.